Namaste. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev, and let's begin today's Yoga for Prostate. So simply stretch your legs out and bend your knee. Sit in Vajrasana. If you have any knee problem, then you can take one pillow under your knees, under your legs, under here, and one pillow under your shin bones. That should help. Then bring your hand onto your knees, close your eyes, and give about 10 to 30 seconds. As Vajrasana is an excellent asana for prostate health, so make sure to perform it every day if you can. And once you're ready, gently open your eyes. Open your knees as wide as you can. Bring the hands on the ground and stretch all the way to bring your forehead onto the ground if you can. Then inhale. As you exhale, bring your right hand under your left arm, forehead on the ground. Then inhale, bring your left arm up. Exhale down. Inhale your arm up. Exhale down. You can repeat between 3 to 5 times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Stay. And inhale. Push with your hand. Change your hand. On the next inhalation, bring right arm up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Then push with your hands and go into cat. Then lift your one leg up and roll your knee as wide as you can. Other way around. Change your leg. Other way around. Then come back to the cat. And then roll your hips. Other way around. That's good. Then bring your right foot forward. and left foot a little bit more back. Push your hip down, feel that stretch onto your hip. Then change your leg. Come back and sit onto your sitting bones. Join the sole of the feet together. Lift your chest up. Close your eyes. Shake your knees. Butterfly is another excellent asana for prostate health. Gradually stop and bring the hand onto your thighs, onto your knees. Try to press them down. Only have to try and see what feels the best. If you can press all the way is good. If you cannot, then just press wherever you can. Keep your breathing normal. That's good. Come back and stretch your legs out. Bring your right leg by the side of the left knee. And try bring your left hand to the right side, wherever it feels the best, easier, and the right hand goes close to the back. And inhale. Try lift your chest slightly more higher, and as you exhale, twist to the right. Exhale, release. Change your leg. Left leg by the side of the right knee. Right hand on the left. Left hand close to the back. Inhale, lift your chest up. As you exhale, twist to the left. Exhale, release. Stretch legs out and shake them. And bring the hands onto your knees or onto your shin bones. Keep your back straight. And as you exhale, with each breath you exhale, you want to go forward. Forward, forward. Make sure that you are bending from the hip area and not from your thoracic area. Keep your neck relaxed and only do what is possible in your body. Do not need to push anything. As soon as you are feeling slight stretch than normal, and then that is good. On the next inhalation, you want to reach your hands out, up and down. Bring the hands by the side of the buttocks. Flat your feet on the ground, and if you are advanced, you can keep your legs straight. Then inhale, lift your hips up, head back, hold if possible, then you open the leg and close them. Open, close, open and close. Come down. You will do one more time. So if you are beginner, you can keep doing with the bent leg. If you are advanced, you can stretch the leg this way, then push your hips upward, head back. Exhale down. Then lie on your abdomen. Bring the elbows onto the ground, about shoulder width apart. You can interlock your fingers or palm flat on the ground, whichever feels the best. Make sure that your shoulders are pulling downward, so elbows are pressing into the ground. Look forward. Inhale. As you exhale, come down. Bring your hands under your shoulders. Forehead on the ground. Inhale, push with your hands. Lift onto your hands. Shoulder relaxed. And inhale. As you exhale, twist yourself to the right. Inhale back. Exhale to the left. Inhale back. Exhale to the right. Inhale back. Exhale to the left. Exhale back and come down. Bring the hands on top of each other. Relax your forehead onto the hands. And push with your hands, go into cat pose. And inhale, lift your right leg up, head up. Exhale, knee to the forehead. Inhale, stretch your leg up, head up. Exhale, knee to the forehead. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to the forehead. Release, change your leg. Inhale, left leg up, head up. Exhale, knee to the forehead. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to the forehead. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to the forehead. Back to the cat. Then back to the child pose. Open your knees. Stretch all the way down. Keep your back stretched. Forehead on the ground. Then sit up, keep your eyes closed, stay in Vajrasana for between 10 seconds to up to 30 seconds, as Vajrasana is one of the excellent poses for prostate health. And rub your palm together and give the gained energy to your lower abdomen to heal. One more time, rub your palm together and bring them onto your lower abdomen. Slowly release. Take your time. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Namaste.